Hey everyone, it's Jim
and Charles
from Bells & More, an online vintage tube store. And we're just going to do a short little introduction to the video that should be up on the MTA or Meltone Amps channel.
No real video today over here, just a few seconds of us talking real quick.
And we're going to be talking about a brand new, fully balanced control preamp that we've designed. The prototype's built. I'm going to keep this very brief. It sounds fucking fantastic. and
we're going to go listen to it on the other channel. So if you want to check it out, head on over.
Yeah. And yes, it's got, you can see there's balanced inputs and outputs here.
Unbalanced.
But it's also got balanced in and balanced out. So it actually is it is a converting preamp. So you can give it an unbalanced RCA signal and it'll spit out either an unbalanced RCA signal or it'll give you a fully balanced signal. So,
because some of you have been asking for it.
Now, one thing we should talk about, for years now we've talked about how there is no need in a home system for a balanced system. And I still fully believe that. It adds complications. It splits the phase of the music. It has to be handled very, very carefully so that you don't have distortion introduced to your signal path. It doubles the build. I mean, look at the size of this thing. This is just a 2-channel preamp. But if you've got a really good reason to have balanced equipment in your home system, then absolutely, yeah, you should have it. And in our case, we'll be explaining this more in the MTA video, but we've got a prototype, fully balanced, pure Class A, solid state monoblock design that requires
a balanced preamp
to drive it. Actually, it needs a balanced signal source as well, otherwise, yeah.
Okay, well, this is getting a little long, so let's pop on over to the other channel and hopefully we'll see you guys there.
Yeah, and I'll put a link below for you so you can get there quickly. Cheers, everyone.